Hello! I really like my '05 Silverado, except for the sagging front bumper. I've been on the internet, seen lots of reports of the same problem, but no real good solution. I've been under there too, messing with bolts. Don't understand the geometry, but I did come up with a solution that's pretty inexpensive, maybe $15. And if you're interested, have a look at what I've done.
So here's some of the examples that we've all seen on the internet. Maybe one of these is yours. These are pretty ugly, pretty common amongst GMCs and Silverados. And here's mine. This is not a nice looking thing. So I opened the hood and I spotted a hole on each side, right behind the headlights. If you look down this hole, you can actually see the ground. So I picked up some ready rod from Home Depot and threaded a nut on there about 6 inches and then dropped the ready rod down through the hole. I put some decent washers on there because that's a pretty big hole and you want this to work properly. But the real magic here is that when you get under the truck and have a look and see where that ready rod ends up, it's right about exactly at the very end of the bottom part of the fender, and there's a hole already made for you, and there was a plastic plug in there to begin with. So stick on a couple of lock nuts, tie it up securely so it doesn't jiggle loose, and then go back up on top and use your wrench and suck your bumper up just about as much as you want. That's a pretty easy process. You might, before you start, maybe put a tape measure on the ground and just mark where you're starting, just so you can check every once in a while and see your progress. But what you're really looking for, of course, the end result is how well that bumper is matching your fender. And so here's my truck, and here's what it looks like right now, and I just can't believe it could be any more perfect. So now you got this ready rod sticking up, which you better get rid of. Chop it off and touch up those threads a little bit now so you can put a double lock nut on there so that doesn't fall off. And here's the end result. Here's my truck, and I'm pretty proud of the way it looks, and it was a pretty inexpensive fix with not much work.